Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ashwi Things, and in today's video I have a good news for you all guys, because I know there are lots of English speakers and there are lots of English learner as well, but the problem is we don't know to whom with we can practice, right? We have no one with whom we can practice, right? So I have a great solution for you all guys, because I think if out of 100 at least 50% 30% people will allow other people to talk with them, then it can help lots of English learner to speak in English and practice speaking English, right? So in order to improve your English, I'm here with another video on English conversation. But the different thing in this video is the person whom with I'm going to talk, she allows everyone to talk with her. Like you can go and you can Gmail her and she will talk to you in English for sure. At least obviously she can't talk to everyone, but mostly she is allowing on her channel to talk with people like subscribers and English learner. So it's a great news, and she is also an English teacher. So we should also learn something from her, right? So let's begin with this beautiful conversation on English speaking and how to speak English. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe Ashwi Thinks YouTube channel to get more interesting videos and English videos. And also share this video with someone who is willing to learn English, and also with someone who is interested in talking in English with anyone who can talk with him, right? So I think it's a good opportunity. You should grab this opportunity, and I'm also there for you all to help you to improve your English. So till then, stay tuned with Ashwi Thinks and let's just watch this.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Ashwi.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Kanchan Bhat.
Kanchan Bhati. Okay. Tell
And
me
your
something
name is
about.
Ashwi.
Yes,
Yes.
my name is Ashwi.
Yes.
And where do you live?
I live in Maharashtra.
Oh, wow. That's great. Okay. So tell me something about yourself.
Um, as my name is Kanchan Bhat, and I'm a teacher, and I teach
Okay.
phonics to a small kid. I have been teaching since 2013.
Long time. Wow. So you are expert in phonics, right?
Yeah, yeah. Because
Tell me some.
now I have a 7, 8 years experience of that, so I can say that I'm expert in it. But still, I'm not telling you that I'm completely know everything about phonics.
No, but at least you are better than us now, because you
Yeah,
are teaching them. So that's also a good thing. So please tell me first that why phonics are important.
nowadays it is very important. When I was in childhood, that time it's very difficult. When I was 5 years old, or that time it's very difficult to read and write. But nowadays, at the age of 6, child can read and write also because of the phonics. So this is the benefit, actually, the real benefit the kids are getting right now.
And this is the only reason why I really want to talk to you, so that you can tell about phonics, you can explain about phonics. Everyone, whoever is watching this video, at least they'll know about phonics, and then maybe they'll start reading something good.
Yeah.
No.
If they don't know, if you're saying that your niece is not getting anything from school, so I would tell you there is an app. It's named Jolly Phonics app, Jolly and Phonics app. You download that and you will see there are the sounds also and the pattern also. Very important to write letter in correct form. Some
Yes.
kids are not writing; they are doing wrong way writing of A, B, C, D, but it's
Yes.
very important to write properly A, B, C, D like that. So
Cursive.
download that app and you will see each sound have a story, rhymes, and activities. 3 things you will get in that app. These everything you will get in that app. You can download that app and you can
Definitely,
go
I'm
ahead.
gonna download it for my niece and for me as well. Maybe I learned something new from that app also,
Yeah.
because correct sound is something really important if you are willing to speak English.
Yeah, in India also have the phonics, but we have a k, kh, g, g, and we say k for k, or
Yes.
s for. So here we have but we pronounce s like s, but this is not
Yes.
correct actually. It's a sound
Yes,
like that.
exactly. Just a sound, but we used to speak it from our thought, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So these are the things. And here, alphabets is 26 and the sounds
Yes.
are 42. So if kids know 42 sounds, they are able to read the book,
Read.
any kind of books. Yes, but
Yeah,
initially you have to
definitely.
give them decodable book, which they can decode. Like if there is a cat, suppose cat is written, and she or he has to read that cat word. So how they will
Yes.
read like this, ah, cat. This is decodable. So this initially you have to provide kids decodable book. After that you can give normal book also when they
Yes.
have a
After that,
confidence.
they will part that. If there is a long word, they will part it and then decode it, and then after they can speak the whole word.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
the initial thing, that first small letters and decode them, right?
Yes, 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 yes. It's
I have
very
some
good
basic knowledge
method
about
actually.
pre-primary actually, but
I
I
mean,
love to know more from you.
yeah, in Maharashtra, you will see many schools are using this technique, but I don't know. Where do you live?
I'm in Rajasthan, and there are obviously in good schools, phonics is very necessary and compulsory. But no, I mean by some right now there is a trend of opening pre-primary schools in any rent house, in anywhere, in a single room, single one building, single flooring buildings like ground floor. We used to open. You can see so many schools are just opening like this. Okay, we have a house. Let's just open a school. This is something
Mm-hmm.
happening here. No,
Okay.
and in such type of schools I don't think they are teaching properly, but they are, because they are not providing that educated staff for kids,
Yes,
because it's
yes.
like okay, it's just a kid, we don't need a higher education for them, like we don't need a teacher of higher education, even a 12 pass can also teach
Come.
him. That is the mentality, everyone knows that. But why 12th pass is teaching that baby? Think about that also, na. If he have done something great, he will not teach in a less salary, and like this maybe a little bit less education is something very important, playing role important in this thing. They are not providing good education, and if there is no problem if someone less educated person is teaching a kid, but at least the owner, like if I am a principal, if I am a coordinator in a school, I this is my responsibility to teach my teachers, then
Yes.
they will teach the students. That is also
Yeah.
may also happen, but it's like they are not taking the burden of this thing. They just want that student must know ABCD,
Mm.
Gade, and
Mm.
counting. That's it, and that is the reason why in first standard even students are not able to read cat.
Yes,
Somewhere,
yes.
not, I'm not
You
telling
are.
about everywhere, but somewhere I personally
Yeah.
feel, even in some English medium schools I have noticed that thing, that kids are learning from the environment only, not because of phonics. And even the phonics is also like they are speaking phonics but in Indian style, like as
Okay.
you
Yeah,
say,
yeah. This is the
ka,
problem. Yeah.
not ka, sa, not like this, because they are feeling so shy in speaking cat. Cat is like they just thought that we are speaking cat. We used to speak cat, not cat,
Yes.
but the correct pronunciation is cat, car, like this. And
Yes.
it
Yes.
sounds
Yes.
like very different accent, and because of that people will think, now why is she so speaking like this? It's not the way you can speak normally also. So that also a thing, that's why teachers are not even trying to teach them in that way. But
Oh.
obviously some pre-primary brand schools are teaching that thing. That is also
Yeah.
because I have done a survey on pre-primary schools, that's why I know
Okay.
that.
Okay, okay. Because in Mumbai now there are many schools, those who are using proper this thing properly. They train teachers first, and after that they go to the
Yeah,
classes
this is
and
the
they teach
responsibility
actually.
of management, not the
Yeah,
teachers only, because if teacher don't know, that's not a big deal. We are elders, we can learn it very quickly, right? It
yeah,
doesn't, it's not like we have to take, we need 1 month or 1 year to learn just phonics. It's not that, but the responsibility is of obviously who is opening a school, because students are coming in schools not behind of teachers, like they are not coming for the teachers, they are coming in a schools, and it's
yeah,
school's responsibility to train teacher if he don't know, because that is okay with this, but they are
yeah.
not aware, I think, at much.
Good
But
school are doing actually. I don't know about small school, but good school are
yeah,
doing.
I know lots of schools are doing this, but if we are in middle class families, then our child will go definitely in middle class school, but that doesn't mean that he'll not getting the proper education just because of this small topic phonics. This is what I
Yeah.
mean. Definitely it is very important in English. Like English phonics is a base, is a unit,
Foundation of speaking English, you can
foundation
say.
of speaking English, for
Yeah.
even for the elders also, not for the kids. It is really important for the elders also. Even before some time I was thinking to teach phonics on my channel, so that people mm, people get aware about this thing, that first we have to learn phonics, then maybe we are able to read.
Hmm.
Some lots of people don't know that correct pronunciation of some, small alphabets, you can say, like
Yeah.
Z, it's Z, Z.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah,
They don't know na. So how can they speak if they don't know the correct pronunciation of that word? It's not possible to read them correctly na. It's not
yeah.
possible. This is what I mean.
Because
And if parents are aware about phonics, they can tell the schools, and then school will definitely provide that. But for that, everyone needs to aware. Like even the parents should also know about the phonics. Then they can tell, like in any schools, that please do provide phonics to our child, and they will
right.
provide it after that. But for that, everyone should know about phonics, and that's why I choose to talk about this thing.
Yeah, it's a really good topic. And if you will talk, if you will know more, I can tell you more.
Okay, what is phonics? Let's just tell people about phonics.
Phonics is the sound of the letter. You can say phonics is the
Yes.
sound of the letter. Like if it word it is cat, so cat has three letters, but all three letters have one sound that's called phoneme. When you join these phonemes, it's become a word, and it's like a cat.
Nice.
And all sounds have an action. So I am going to do action also. Ah, this is ah, b, b, d, d, e, e, g, I, j, oo. You have to touch your stomach like this. Mm.
Mm.
Yes. You have to spread your arms like an aeroplane. Okay. Oh. Qua. Uh. Uh. W. Or you can put it as yeah. And like B. These are the 26 sounds of the alphabet.
Okay. So if someone is going to practice these sounds, then maybe they are able to learn and speak correctly with the
Yes,
pronunciation,
yes.
right?
At least they are able to blend four, five, or seven letters.
Okay. So it's, I think, great for, beginners and English learners.
Ha, ha. If they have any query, they can leave their question in description box. So you can tell me the question if they have any
Yeah,
question. So
definitely.
I
If they
will
have,
definitely we
if
can come again and we can discuss on that question also.
you were saying in your video that you are allowing people to talk with you, right? Can you
Yeah,
please tell this again, like how they can contact to you and
yeah,
your channel name, something like
yeah.
elaborate everything.
My channel name is kanchi.bhat@gmail.com, and you are going to leave in description box so that they can get easily. And my
Yes.
channel name is Speak with Kanchi. My name is Kanchan, but I put it short. Speak with Kanchi. So you can go and check my YouTube channel also. You will find all related to the phonics thing.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
I have seen that.
yeah, and few people are already they are connected to me, so they are already talking to me and they are practicing also. I'm not going to take name here, but they are practicing. We do every day 15 minutes talk, and we are improving also. So you can also come and talk with me if you don't have any partner, if you don't have anyone with whom you can talk, you can practice English. So you can definitely contact me, and if I have a time, I will do that. I would love to do that.
You are allowing people, you are requesting even people to, that if
Yeah,
you have no one, Yes, and that is really nice and polite behavior that you are requesting. Actually, very kind behavior. I can say that if you have no one to speak with, you can talk to me, and that's really nice.
Yes. I hope so. I can do successfully this thing, and the people can take the benefit from me. I really think of that. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. Nice to meet you.
really nice conversation. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Okay. Bye bye.